Let's make chocolate strawberry cheesecake pasta. Add some strawberries to a baking dish, sprinkle liberally with sugar, add a splash of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt and stir to combine. Arrange the strawberries on the outside of the dish, then place a block of cream cheese in the center and sprinkle liberally with sugar again. Then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Once it comes out, stir it all up to combine. At this point, you can taste the strawberries to see if you need to add any more sugar. Then add some chopped semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate and stir again to combine. Next, we are going to add our chocolate pasta that we made the other day. It's absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself. Make sure you reserve some of the starchy, chocolatey pasta water and add however much of that starchy pasta water you need until you get the sauce consistency that you like. To serve, top with diced fresh strawberries. Definitely a full-on dessert pasta. Well, would you try it?
Do you want to know who's watching your videos, like really watching your videos till the end? If you have people just spamming your account and liking it and watching for a quick second, you're going to get shadow banned. So I'm going to give you this sound to use on your own video. Ask someone to leave you some green hearts so you know that they've watched this video to the end.
up guys, today we're going to be making a molten lava cake. Grease your ramekins with butter, then dust with cocoa powder and set aside. Add chocolate chips and butter to a bowl and microwave until melted and stir until smooth. Add icing sugar and mix until combined, then add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and mix these in. Add plain flour and cocoa powder and stir until just combined, then spoon the mix into 2 ramekins and bake for 12 minutes. Let it stand for 2 minutes, then flip it over and dust with icing sugar. And that's it. It was so good. Enjoy!